Y'all, I'm craving for some freaking spicy ass shit again. I know I ate some mango last night with Mama that, but I got another mango and it's about to go fucking bad because this shit ugly as fuck, but it's still sour. It's still hard. So I'm about to show you a sauce that I eat when I was a kid. My dad used to make it for me all the time, and it's not for everybody. It's the Prahok style kind, okay? Which is the fermented fish cream. What the ingredients is like the shrimp paste kind, but what the fermented fish, the whole kind, okay? To all my Cambodians, if you know, you know right here. That shit that dank, okay? Like I said, this sauce is not for everybody, but it is for me because my dad used to make it for me all the time. And I'm a fucking Cambodian, so yeah. I get 1 spoon of this right here. This shit is dank, okay? It's fermented fish. I'm only making a little bit. And you're gonna add some sugar, some MSG, and some dry pepper. I know this stuff is really, really strong, so you gotta add sugar, like a lot. Not a lot, but you know, to balance out the saltiness and the strong taste or whatever, smell. And I got some MSG right here. And we're gonna mix this and put a little bit of water. And mix that until it all dissolve. Ooh, that shit fucking, ooh, god damn. That's that dank, that good stanky shit. I always tell everybody, this stanky shit is the best shit, you heard? I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. Keep mushing it down so everything combines well. And I smash these down, the dried chilies, and turn it to some chili flakes. And please do not get the one from the American store because it's not the same, y'all. It's just not. Add some dried pepper in there. It all goes in because I like it spicy. This shit is hot as fuck. Give it a little mix. If you're Cambodian, you know what this is, okay? It's that good danky, shanky, spiky sauce for your mango. You can add toasted sticky rice if you want, but I like it just like this. Here goes your sauce for your mango. Fire. Oh my god, my mouth is watering so bad. Stinky good. Fire. Fire.